Hi guys, welcome to another one of my video. Today's video is highly requested by one of my subscriber, Emily, and I just want to give Emily a shout out and thank you for I appreciate her taking time out to go down to the comment section and making a request for me to make jerk chicken, Jamaican jerk chicken, and I'm going to be doing it my way. And for the first time, I'm going to be using the jerk sauce. I have the marinade jerk sauce here and the barbecue, which I'm looking forward to using, and I'm very excited about making this video. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay, so guys, I have 3 pieces and I'm going to be cutting just 1 piece, and I may get rid of the skin on 1 piece and some of the skin on the other pieces. I don't like to cook with too much skin. So okay, so I'm gonna be going into the joint of the chicken and cut away the leg from the back on one of the chicken, and then the other 2 pieces I'll just leave them attached. Okay, so
guys, for me, when I'm buying chicken, the chicken needs to be free from what would you say, blemish, or free from discoloration. I don't like to buy chicken that is discolored, and it should be or battered looking, and it also should smell fresh.
So guys, you could use I use my sharp knife, but if you're not comfortable with knives, then you can use a dull knife, to like a knife that you would eat with, one of your dinner knife you could use to clean the excess, to trim the chicken, clean the excess fat and get rid of the stuff that you don't like. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 10:29 a.m.
And I'm going to be washing my chicken with salt, vinegar, lime, and then I'm going to be blending my scallion, thyme, garlic into the NutriBullet. You could cut it up on the chicken, but your seasoning. But I'm going to be blending it because I think blending it allows the chicken to absorb the seasoning better. And yeah, so guys, I'm going to be like seasoning this chicken up, and then I'm going to be leaving it to marinate for a couple of hours. I'm going to run out on the road and come back.
Yeah, so for me guys, I get down into like these areas of the chicken between the skin and try to get rid of as much fat as possible.
So I'm going to leave the first piece. I took the skin away from it. I took the skin away from the first piece, but then this piece I'm going to leave. These 2 pieces I'll leave the skin on.
As I said, 3 or 4 times I wash the chicken. I think I'm going to be putting it into this to drain the excess water. Okay, so I have my chicken here draining, and then I'm gonna get the seasoning ready.
So guys, I have I'm gonna be blending into the NutriBullet. I'm gonna be blending. I have ginger, garlic, onion, green onions. This is sweet onion, green onion, thyme, which is a must, and I'm gonna be putting a piece of the tomato. So guys, in my NutriBullet, I blended in this mix that I'm going to be pouring on the chicken. I blended pimento seed, like maybe 5 pimento seed, and I like the Bics hot spicy banana pepper, so I put like 5 pieces into the NutriBullet, and with 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And because I did not have, I also put in this, I also put scallion, I put green onion, garlic, tomato, onion, scallion. I have the washed, trimmed chicken leg and back. So I'm just going to be pouring the mix here onto the rub here onto my chicken. But first, I like to use put my powder seasoning. I like to use the Maggi all-purpose seasoning. So I'm just going to be putting like 3/4 of a tablespoon. That's enough because I'm not working with much chicken here. And I'm going to be putting black pepper. I'd say this is, I'm not using a quart measuring, but this is like maybe half of a teaspoon. This is about a tablespoonful, yeah. And salt. Maybe a teaspoon of salt here. Because the other seasoning has salt, and I'm using the pink Himalayan salt. I like the pink Himalayan salt. And I did not have the scotch bonnet pepper, guys, so I'm just using the ready-made one. I do not have the pepper as shown in the picture here. So but this is the same kind of pepper, it's just that in the form of a liquid. And I'm gonna be using like maybe a tablespoonful. I'm gonna be putting the jerk marinade sauce that I've never used before. Okay, I'll put like maybe 1, 2, 3 tablespoonfuls. Okay guys, so I poured my mixture of pimento, which is very important. Pimento, I love pimento seed when cooking with garlic. Those things are important. Pimento seed, garlic, onion, green onion. I'm just gonna be rubbing this in. And my chicken, it will be marinating for the next 3 hours. When I get back, I'll be putting it into the oven. So guys, I'm gonna be adding one thing that I forgot is I wanted to put a tablespoon of lime juice. I'm getting into the inside of the chicken here, guys. The inside of the chicken here. I like to season my chicken under the skin.
Welcome back, guys. My chicken has been marinating for approximately 8.5 hours. So I'm gonna be placing it in the oven to be ready. So I'm just greasing this. I'm gonna
put it on this tray and also onto this. So here I have the chicken here marinating for 8.5 hours with 2 pieces here. So with this much chicken, I'm just using a smaller oven. So guys, it's been about 8 minutes, going on to 10 minutes since the chicken's been baking. So I'm gonna be turning it. The next 5-8 minutes, I'll turn it again. I'll actually, turn it over and then start basting it with the jerk barbecue sauce. And I'm gonna flip it, turn it over.
So this sauce I'm pouring on is about, on each piece of chicken, guys, it's about between 2 and 4 tablespoons. And there is the chicken basting with the jerk sauce. So guys, I don't want the chicken to cook too fast and start burning. I don't want it to burn and then the inside is not soaked, because I like my chicken cooked to the bone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to turn the temperature down.
340 and let it cook slowly so that it can cook to the bone without burning on the outside too quickly. So I'll check back, guys. I'll let you see what I'm doing in about 5-10 minutes.
Each side here, so that it could probably make the gravy. In about 5 minutes, this is ready. The sauce, it would be cooked. Put some more of the jerk sauce, and by the way, the jerk sauce, it's really good, guys. I'm not disappointed. It's the first I'm using it, and I'm gonna be using it forever because I love this jerk sauce. It tastes really good. The barbecue sauce, I like it. Let me show you the chicken here. There it is, a close-up, guys, of the chicken. And I'm gonna put it in the oven for like...
the timer's showing 4 minutes, so I would say 340. I turned the degree down, so I'm gonna put it at 345 for, let's say, 8 minutes, and then that should be good. So I'll get you to see what I'm doing in 5-8 minutes, okay guys? 5-7 minutes. So guys, I'm back. Now the chicken it's cooking really fast, so I think I'm gonna be turning it down so that on the inside can soak as much as possible. I'm gonna put it at 325 degree Fahrenheit, because I don't want it to cook too fast. I like when the chicken is soaked to the bone. I'm just turning it here. I like when the chicken is cooked to the bone, guys.
actually I think I'll pause it, and then I'm just gonna be putting everything in one, because it's almost cooked. So guys, the oven has just stopped. It has just stopped, and I think the chicken is cooked, but as I said, as I told you before, I like when my chicken is well done to the bone. And let me see if I can get a reading on this.
I'm getting 140, guys. 140 there, and here is here is 150. I was hoping it would go up to 160, but it's almost there. We're almost there now. Some people would see this as okay, but yeah, it's still running bloody, so I'm gonna put it back for another 10-15 minutes, and then we should be good.
So guys, now for the grand finale. So this chicken took like I would say maybe an hour and 15 minutes. So guys, we're done. It's well done chicken, guys. So I'm gonna try and get a reading here. This thing is very hot. And see guys, even though I cooked it so long, it's still running blood. See? Chicken is still running blood. So I'm just gonna stick it in the oven and leave it for a couple of minutes. That's good. That was 180, which is perfect. But basically that is that's the result I'm trying to get. Like, I like the color, I'm happy, and yeah, it's cool. There you go, guys. I am happy about the result. Jerk chicken done in the oven. I'm happy. So guys, comment down below and let me know, like, give me some feedback on what do you think about this chicken, as long as it's cooked, right? So I'm gonna be trying to let's see if I can get the camera so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, it's done. It's done, guys. Done to the bone. Guys, it's cooked. It is cooked. I like when my chicken is cooked, well done. There it is. This is hot. So guys, please give this video a thumbs up if you share the video, like, subscribe, and comment down below. See guys, I ate the leg. It's really good. Thumbs up.
So guys, I have my sauce up here, the one with the lime. Really good. Bye, guys.
So guys, thanks for joining me, and see you in the next video.